Good day, everybody. Thanks again for joining me with some of these alerted see and avoid videos using the Air Services WebTrack software. We're talking today about a situation that occurred where an aircraft joined the circuit on the active side and descended within the circuit area on the active side. So AC 9110 advises that you should not descend on the active side when inside the circuit area. We are in a situation here where we've got our TechNam undergoing circuit training established in the circuit, and we've got this aircraft to the north, which is indicated here as a Cessna 208. However, the registration and the eyeballs from the instructor on board the aircraft indicate that it was actually a helicopter. So don't know what's happened there. On the day that we had this situation, it was this tab, this block here did show it as an R22. But for some reason today it's a Cessna 208. But the data is still the same. So if I overlay the circle for the circuit area, you can see the aircraft's at 1,400. And I'll play the trace again at 2 times. Our TechNam is performing a touch and go, and it'll go off the trace here. Down here, the sky echo seems to fade in and out, so that could be something that we need to consider moving forward. But in this instance, our TechNam has done the touch and go, and this aircraft has made the call that he's joining the circuit. He's inbound from the north at 1,400 to join the circuit downwind for runway 11. Now, this has alerted our instructor in the TechNam that there is somebody coming in above circuit altitude and that is going to probably potentially descend. As they turn crosswind to downwind, they pick up the helicopter visually and note that it is actually descending inside the circuit area on the active side. Our instructor gives a call asking, we are turning downwind, we are at your 3 o'clock. There was a exchange there. 3 o'clock was used, may have caused a bit of confusion. So there was a bit of radio chatter backwards and forwards, taking up airspace on the radio frequency. But once they did establish where each other was, the helicopter made an adjustment, and it's still 1,300 feet, and then continues to descend to join the circuit. So potentially descending on top of another aircraft, if you can't see them, is the reason why AC 9110 says what it says. So let's just keep mindful, everybody, that the procedures are there for a reason. It's to keep us safe. And let's exercise good alerted see and avoid. Keep your eyes outside the cockpit and communicate with each other in standard phraseology. And let's keep everybody safe. Thanks.